duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks.
With these lines, today I, Shubham, along with my co-host Sunakshi, welcome you all to the Thanksgiving Assembly.
A new day begins with new thoughts, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, I would like to call Ariti for the thought of the day.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am present before you all to represent today's thought of the day. And the thought is, good things come to those who believe, better thing comes to those who are patient, and the best things comes to those who do not give up. And it has a beautiful meaning, which is keep going and don't worry about your speed. You are making progress even if it doesn't seem like it. Forward is forward, no matter how slow. Thank you and Jai Hind.
It takes a big heart to help shape young minds. The same can be said for our respected chairman sir and director ma'am.
It's hard to put exactly how much of an impact you have made in the life of every Sunday. Your dedication and amazing attitude is what we admire most.
Not many people would have given their time and energy so freely the way you both did.
We all consider ourselves very fortunate to have someone so kind, patient, and passionate in our lives.
Thank you.
No duty is more important than of returning thanks. So I would like to pay our heartiest gratitude to Gurmeet ma'am, who is an excellent orator and a great inspiration for all the sunbeams. She always encourages all the students to participate in different co-curricular activities and has an elegant personality. Our vice principal ma'am is a cheerful and a caring teacher who has always motivated her students with her very good stories. Aarti Sharma ma'am is someone who taught us that what responsibility actually means. She put her all possible efforts that the classes run smoothly and the arrangement periods are efficiently managed, and she also has a splendid personality.
A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and still a love of learning. With these inspiring lines, I, Shreya, along with my co-partner Aparna, welcome you all to this Thanksgiving Assembly. We have got such a precious gifts, teachers. We are a squad of such gifts. From the day we are born, here are those who blessed us this year. We would firstly like to thank our class teacher and geography teacher Sanjay sir for making us visit the world in such an interesting way. And thank you very much sir for always being there with us in our every step towards success. Thank you Abhi sir, our English teacher, for always helping us with our grammar and for making our vocabulary more stronger. Now comes our Hindi teacher Manjulata ma'am. As her way of teaching really inspires everyone because of her soft and calm nature. Thank you very much ma'am for your great efforts. Thank you Rahul sir for making maths fun for us and explaining and clearing our doubts. Now it's turn for physics, which can only give you nightmares if you don't have a great teacher to help you in clearing all your doubts. So we are very thankful to you Manish sir for clearing our bundle of doubts. She comes with a positive smile on her face, turns a difficult subject into an interesting one. She is none other than our chemistry teacher, Pinky ma'am. Learning formulas were quite difficult, but learning with you, it seems to be very easy. Thank you ma'am for teaching chemistry delightfully to us. Now we would like to thank Namonita ma'am for teaching us biology, which was not possible to understand in such a simple way without your help. We'd like to thank our history teacher Vineet sir for teaching us such a boring subject in an interesting way. Thank you Preeti ma'am, as you are new to us, but one thing that we learned from you is how to lead our own way, and your way of teaching civics was just cool. We would like to thank our economics teacher Anjali ma'am for teaching us a new subject so smartly and peacefully. Thank you Madhuri ma'am for guiding us healthy tips which we require to keep ourselves fit. We are blessed to have you Krishna sir for teaching us a subject which is now essential in our day-to-day life. Thank you for showing us that it is never acceptable to give up without giving your best. Thanks to all my dearest teachers for helping us in this whole year across this massive COVID-19 pandemic.
If you want to turn your life around, try thankfulness. It will change your life mightily. With these beautiful quotes, I, Sandeep Peshni, am here to offer Thanksgiving to our office staffs and support staffs. During this time of Thanksgiving, I would like to thank our office staff and support staff. I want to thank you for being an important part of our school life. I would like to thank you for your continued support and hard work. I am so grateful for your patience and enthusiasm. I really appreciate your hard work and dedication towards this school. I want to express my sincere gratitude here to all the support staff and office staff who worked hard for us. We value your work so much. Thank you.
So handwriting is so important. And during COVID, what happened? We lost our handwriting. We became techno-savvy, that is very good. I'm not very techno-savvy. Every time principal ma'am scolds me for that. She will tell me, learn like this. But I keep learning. But you know, we lost our handwriting. Handwriting is you. It reflects you. It reflects I, myself. Don't give up on handwriting. Keep writing and try as neat you will write. As careful you will write, it will reflect your psychology because you're writing. Signature, you're signing.
And I would say that anyone who keeps learning, number one, that keeps motivating you. No one is going to come and motivate you always in life. Believe me, when you're in a job, when you're working, at times you need to do your self-motivation. And how do you do self-motivation? I was so happy to see Ayushi ma'am dancing. It is not about just dancing, it is also about expressing and feeling good. When you listen to song, when you do dance, when you're free, when you're painting, you're drawing, and you're involved in these creative performances, you're alive, you're motivated always. Get involved. It is very, very important that all of you should have one such hobby. Whether it is even writing also. If you're writing and expressing yourself in poetry, that is also good. Painting is also good. Sports is good. You write. But apart from academics, everyone should have one. Why are we doing all this for you is to show that at this age also we all can do this. So why not you? Never have age as a barrier. It is only in mind that you have it. You should be free in exploring and expressing yourself. The more you express, the more lively you will feel. So keep this in mind always and always. And this pandemic has taught us a great lesson that you can plan 100 of things in life, but eventually things happen what God wishes.
हाँ, स्वीकार है मुझे तुम्हारा ये थैंक्स। सवाल है कितने अधिकार और गुरूर से क्यों? वो इसलिए क्योंकि मैं गवाह हूँ तुम्हारे सारे टीचर्स की उस दिन रात की मेहनत की जो उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए की। जब सारी दुनिया घबराई और व्यस्त थी, टीवी के सामने कोविड के आंकड़े गिनने में व्यस्त थी, जब तुम खुश थे ढेर सारी छुट्टियां पाकर, पतंग की डोर हाथ में थामे, फोन हाथ में, मिल ही गया था कि न जाने कितने ही गेम तुमने ढूंढ डाले। जब सड़कें सूनी, गलियां और मोहल्ले बेरंगे से थे, ऐसे में आपके ये तमाम शिक्षक सीख रहे थे, अपने लिए नहीं तुम्हारे लिए। जब रातों को सारी दुनिया सोती थी, तब ये जागते थे। बेतुकी आवाज़ों, कुत्ते का भौंकना, बच्चे का शोर, सब्जी वाले की आवाज़, सबसे बचकर रात भर वीडियो बनाते थे तुम्हारे लिए। तुमने DIY प्रोजेक्ट किया हो या ना किया हो, पर तुम्हारे शिक्षकों ने किया है तुमसे पहले। गूगल फॉर्म और टेस्ट पोर्टल पर एग्जाम हमने दिया है। क्योंकि मैम पहले टेस्ट करती थी, हमें भेजती थी कि तुम लोग आंसर लिखो, बच्चों को ठीक से मिलेगा कि नहीं। सो वी गेव एग्जाम्स ऑन टेस्ट पोर्टल। अचानक हो जाने वाले लॉकडाउन में जाने कैसे कैसे तुम्हारे टीचर्स ने तुम्हारे लिए बोर्ड, मार्कर और बुक्स का सब जुगाड़ किया है। तुम भले ही ऑनलाइन आओ ना आओ, कभी कभी कुछ बुरा या अपशब्द भी कह जाओ, कैमरे के पीछे कितनी ही शरारतें कर जाओ, पर आपके शिक्षक वहीं थे तुम्हारे लिए। तुम्हारा आत्मविश्वास, जीवन के प्रति विश्वास न डगमगा जाए, रोज नई योजनाएं बनाते थे तुम्हारे लिए। हम नहीं जानते थे नई तकनीक, पहले खुद सीखे फिर एक दूसरे को सिखाते थे। तुम जानते हो तुम्हारी प्रिंसिपल मैम ने पूरे 1 साल में एक भी इतवार नहीं जिया है। रोज सुबह तुम्हें मैसेज भेजती थी कि हम हैं, कि जीवन अभी रुका नहीं है, सामान्य परिस्थितियों में जी लेते हैं सभी, पर हमें इस वक्त कैसे जीना है सीखते रहो कि हमारा हौसला अभी टूटा नहीं है। रोज एक नया चैलेंज, नया टाइम टेबल, एग्जाम, कुछ भी तो नहीं रुकने दिया है। कल भी आज भी उतनी ही ऊर्जा से हमें भर दिया है। इसलिए हाँ, मैं तुम सबकी तरफ से वाकई तहे दिल से धन्यवाद चाहती हूँ। अपनी ही टीम का एक हिस्सा हूँ मैं, दिन और रात बस आपके ही फोन उठाती हूँ मैं, और दिन रात बिना थके तुम्हारे लिए जीते तुम्हारे शिक्षकों की मेहनत को जानती हूँ मैं। हम भी थकते हैं, बीमार होते हैं, घर की परेशानियों से जूझते हैं, रोज खुद से और नई चुनौतियों से लड़ते हैं, पर फिर भी हम कल थे तुम्हारे लिए, आज हैं तुम्हारे लिए और रहेंगे सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए। जय।
बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला। सुनाएंगे हम तो बात रंगे हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे। जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हम बातें सुनाएंगे। हम तो साथ रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे। सरगम हमसे बने, नगमे हमें ज़बान, झूमे आसमां। हम हिंदू दुनिया के साथ अजूबे, हमसे है जहां। सरगम हमसे बने, नगमे हमसे ज़बान, झूमे